Hi everyone, welcome to Wednesday's vlog. I've done well because I've remembered to vlog early, so that's good, like I did yesterday. So, because it's 10 to 1 now, so that is good that I've remembered to vlog early, so it could be a long vlog again today, as long as I remember to vlog. So yeah, I had a good night last night to the point where I got up at 10 o'clock, so yeah, that's brilliant. Then when I got up, I came downstairs and I was pretty tired still, and I just wasn't feeling very well as well. So yeah, I just went on to just came onto the computer and just did focused on doing some stuff on the computer. Then so I just done that until about 11 o'clock when my mum done some breakfast, and then she done some breakfast and I've just finished eating it now about 10-20 minutes ago, and I had beans, hash brown and sausage and tofu as well, and some bread, and it was lovely, and I was pretty hungry at the time as well. So yeah, just finished eating that. Then I'm drinking a cup of tea. Yeah, so in like my Jacksepticeye cup, and then I have to get ready in a minute because we have to take Marley, Alfie, Freddie, Snowball and Flopsy to the vets. Snowball and Flopsy for the nails, Marley for his nails and vaccination, and then Alfie and Freddie for their vaccinations. And then after that we should be coming back home, so I can have my dinner and prepare to go to bed. So yeah, because I'm really tired today and just don't feel well at all today because of my stomach playing up, and I'm just feeling sick, and it's probably because I'm tired or something like that. But yeah, so I will be getting ready soon, and I will show you what I'm wearing once I've got it on to be the outfit of the day, to show you the outfit of the day. So yeah, just basically wanted to tell you what has happened from the time I got up till now and how I'm feeling. So yeah, so I hope you like the videos that I've been uploading, because I have worked hard on them, editing and stuff, so I hope you like them. So yeah, so basically that's all that I really have to tell you, and hopefully this Sunday the weather's okay, because it's my bank holiday and we should be doing the car boot if the weather's okay. Fingers crossed it is. So yes, so the second car boot of the year will be happening Sunday if the weather's fine. So yeah, so don't know what else to really tell you other than I will show you what I'm doing and then end the clip till I'm either ready or till the next clip when either something's happened or I want to tell you something. So yeah, I will show you what I'm doing and then the clip's on. Doing this and then drinking that. Then we're watching the wrestling. Yeah, we're watching the wrestling. Then the weather outside is lovely. bit chilly but okay. And then there's Marley. Yeah, sleep. That's what I'm doing, and nothing else to say or tell you or show you or anything, because I've basically said everything in the last 2 clips, and I'm just really tired. So yeah, and once I'm on the way to the vets, we'll let you know, and then once we're out the vets, I will let you know what's happened. So yeah, don't know what else to really tell you other than I will see you in the following clip. Don't know when it will be and don't know what it will be about, but yeah, I will see you then. Probably with the outfit of the day or something like that. So yeah, so I will end the clip here and see you in the following clip when I see you, really. So yeah, see you then. So yeah, just gonna be rambling on if I carry any more. So yeah, I will see you in the following clip when I see you. Everyone, I'm back, and it is now 20 to 3, and as you can, this is my outfit of the day. I've got my Gravity Falls tracksuit hoodie on, then I've got my bottoms, and then I've got like a plain top underneath, and yeah, so a plain top underneath. And as I said at the beginning of the video vlog, I was taking my animals to the vets to just do what I said, like Marley have his vaccinations and nails done, Flopsy and Snowball to have their nails done, and Alfie and Freddie to have the vaccinations. So yeah, so that's happening. And before we go, my mum's just got to help my nan with taking something into the house. So we've got to be there for about 3 o'clock. So yeah, that's what's happening then. So yeah, so that's all that has really had to like update you with, and yeah, so that's all that I've really had to update you with, and basically I've just been on my computer editing and stuff like that, and I'll have to get my mum to cut out this label because it's really irritating me. But yeah, I will show you what I'm doing in the clip. So yeah, so yeah, just show you what I'm doing in the clip until I'm in the car, and yeah, so until I know when to film and know what to film. So yeah, show you what I'm doing and then the clip. So doing that, then we're watching TV and just a bit chilly outside. Then there's Marley, and then them are the cages that my cats are going in. So yeah, and that's my water that I'm drinking. And then yeah, so yeah, then that's the bottoms. Yeah, so yeah, what I am doing, and until the next clip, because nothing else to say or show you, and I'm just pretty tired, getting pretty tired now. So yeah, until the following clip, and when I know what else to film and stuff. So yeah, don't know when I'm filming, don't know what it will be about, but yeah, until the following clip when I know what to film. So Alfie and Freddie's going in there, meant they? So yeah, until then, I will see you in the following clip, because God knows what else to say or speak about or show you. So yeah, until the following clip when I know what to say and when to film, I will see you then. So yeah, possibly in the car. So hello everyone, I do apologise that I didn't finish yesterday's vlog, but I was pretty tired, and from the last clip I was at home, so yeah, and I came home and I just went onto the computer and had my dinner.
I just wanted to make it up to you.
Or was it
For me.
when we went to the Badger 1 second? So sorry about that, but the last time I vlogged was when I was going out to the vet. Well, we took Alfie, Freddie, Snowball, Flopsy and Marley to the vet, and Marley had his injection, Alfie and Freddie had theirs, and Snowball and Flopsy had their nails clipped, and Alfie has now been diagnosed with irritable bowel, like his brother. And then after the vets, we brought these lot home, and then because my mum wasn't feeling well with her tummy, we went to urgent care and at Solihull, and me, because I wasn't feeling well either, and then my dad his shoulder was hurting, so we all booked in and we all went to see the doctor, and her mum is just down to her monthly cycle. Then mine is down to the gallbladder not getting worse and stuff. Then Dad's is just down to a frozen shoulder. So for me, the doctor is going to write to my GP to rush or bring forward my surgeon thing or get my gallbladder out quicker. So yes, and then we just all came home and was home by 7-8 o'clock, and I then had my dinner, which was just beans on toast. Then about 8 o'clock, about 9 o'clock, I went to bed, and then I think I dozed off about 11 o'clock. So yeah, so basically that's it. So yeah, the question of the day is, do you suffer with your gallbladder? And if so, are you suffering from gallstones or just gallbladder dysfunction? Yeah. And how well is your gallbladder working? And if so, what is the condition, and how do you cope with it? And what painkillers do you take to help it? And have you either had your gallbladder out, or 2 waiting to have your gallbladder out? And if you've had your gallbladder out, how do you feel since you've had it out? So yeah, comment that down below, and I will see you in the next vlog right after this.
Because we both know you won't.
Oceans hover the cycles, all the bushes right low. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind,